Hi guys, my name is Dino, and on today's question and answer session, I'm going to be answering a question from Gabriel, and he is asking way to crash my cholesterol and reduce weight. That is, how do I crash my cholesterol and reduce weight? Well, the first thing I want to explain is the meaning of cholesterol, because there are so many people who do not know what cholesterol means. So many people confuse cholesterol to calorie, right? So what is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a kind of essential fat that is responsible for creating cells in the body, creating hormones in the body, right? So cholesterol is not all of that bad in a way, however, there are different types of cholesterol. Cholesterol is transported in our bloodstream through what is called lipoprotein, right? And there are different types of lipoprotein. There is the low density lipoprotein and the high density lipoprotein, right? Now, the low density lipoprotein is what we know as the bad cholesterol, and the high density lipoprotein is known as the good cholesterol. Now, what makes the low density lipoprotein bad? It is because when it is transported through our bloodstream, it sticks to the arteries, right? It sticks to the arteries, and the accumulation of that potentially will block the bloodstream and reduce blood from flowing in the body, which will cause heart disease and stroke, right? Now, high density lipoprotein, however, its work basically is to flush out the low density lipoprotein. So when you take foods that contain high density lipoprotein, it will gather the bad cholesterol and flush it out of the body through the liver. So it will gather the bad cholesterol, channel it to the liver, and from the liver flush it out of the body. Right, now let's go back to your question now, which states, how do I crash my cholesterol level? Right, now, what brought it up in the first place? High intake of lipoprotein. Simple and short. High intake of lipoprotein. And what are the sources of lipoprotein? Basically, saturated fats and trans fat. So saturated fats may include meat, fatty meat, some dairy products, right? Then trans fats include processed foods, fried foods, baked foods, and all of that. So high intake of these foods will increase your cholesterol level. Now, how do you crash your cholesterol level? By avoiding these foods. Avoid fatty meats, avoid processed food, avoid anything packaged food, right? Avoid dairy products. Your doctor will tell you more on that, right? Avoid big foods and take more of foods that contain high lipoprotein, which is good calories, right? And foods that contain high lipoprotein includes nuts, includes legumes, right? Includes seeds, includes vegetables. So you want to take more of foods like beans, like granola, like plants, right? Like fiber, like oats, and all of that, right? So when you take more of these foods that contain good cholesterol, they are going to flush out the bad cholesterol. Now to the next question that states, and reduce my weight. How do I crash cholesterol and reduce my weight? Now, reduction of weight is a function of calorie deficit, right? So when you reduce your calorie intake, you reduce your carb intake. Most importantly, your fats and your carb intake and your carbohydrate intake, you're going to be on a calorie deficit over time, right? And another way of also crashing your cholesterol and reducing your weight is lifestyle. Workout, exercise. You can never advise enough of that, right? Workout, exercise. If you don't have time to go to the gym, workout doesn't even necessarily mean you go to the gym. Like 30 minutes of jog every day is good, right? 30 minutes, 1 hour of jogging every day, skipping every day. Just get your blood flowing, get your endorphins pumping and all, right? It's going to reduce your cholesterol. It's going to reduce your calorie, and it will crash your cholesterol, and you're going to reduce weight, right? So I hope, Mr. Gabriel, I've been able to answer your question. And if you have more questions, if anybody watching here have any questions surrounding fitness, you go to the description box and there is a link there. You click on the link, you ask your question, and we are going to answer your question personally, right? And in the Greek God Gym, we have a masterclass, an online masterclass that all members have enjoyed so many benefits from. We give you personalized training routines. If you're the kind of person that don't have enough time to work out because of work, because of school, because of whatever, but you want to work out, but you don't know what programs to do that will fit into this little amount of time that you have, we're going to give you a personalized workout plan, workout schedule that will fit into your routine. We're going to give you a dietary plan, right? Meal plan. We're going to give you visual representation of workouts that you ought to do. So we won't just tell you do this workout. We're going to show you how to do them, right? And you're going to have access to all of our ebooks, and you have 3 hours consultation a week with a professional, and an hour of this consultation normally costs 50,000. But as a member of the GGG masterclass, with just 10,000 naira a month, you're going to have access to all of these benefits. So if you're interested in joining the masterclass, there's also a link for that in the description. Just click on it and we're going to get across to you. Right? Thank you.